So 10 minutes into my flowchart, I made a flowchart on my plans for after graduation. So it starts up here, it says graduation, and the first question I ask is if I get a job in business. If I say yes, I go down the line of what I think would be a career path for that. And if no, I ask if I get a job coaching basketball, and then ask some questions from there. So for my finished version, I added some more questions and paths. So going to the coaching, if I have another career in mind, I go back to the same path as the business plan. If I don't, I decide if I want to get another degree potentially. If not, I would go live with my parents. If I do, I would start applying to schools. And then I added some questions about basketball, of whether or not I want to be a graduate assistant, which changes some plans there too. And I use the boxes to show questions and these rectangulars with rounded edges to show plans to differentiate those. And that's my flowchart.